Hello friends, this is a circuit on speed controller of small cooling fan using LDR circuit, using this circuit LDR circuit. Now earlier we used pulse width modulation method to control the speed of fan. We use a potentiometer to regulate the speed of fan. Now we are using an LDR circuit. Now in this circuit, when there is light in the near atmosphere, the speed of the fan moves with full speed because the LDR's resistance is low at that time. And when there is no light, when there is dark, then the fan will stop because the resistance of the LDR will increase. Now you know LDR is also called light dependent resistor. This is the LDR. You can see this is LDR. It looks this physically, it looks like this. There's some coil like design on it. So LDR is light dependent resistor. When there is light in the nearby surroundings, the resistance of the LDR decreases, and when it's dark, resistance increases. Now this is a circuit diagram. Now I'll show you the components what I have used. I'll start with this component, 1 kilo ohm. This is the 1 kilo ohm resistor connected to the base terminal of the transistor, this one. In the circuit you can see this one, this green colored resistor. This one is connected to the base here. This is the 1 kilo ohm resistor. Then we go back to the next component. See, this is the 10 kilo ohm resistor. This one connected from the 1 kilo ohm resistor to the emitter terminal of the transistor. So now we'll see the circuit. In the circuit here, this is the 10 kilo ohm resistor connected from the base to the emitter like this. You can see the connection. It's connected exactly as per the circuit diagram. This one. Okay. Then we go back to the next component. This is the LDR. ORP 12 is the LDR. Here in the circuit diagram, this is that LDR. You can see here, this is the LDR connected to the base, one terminal, and another to the here. We have connected it this way. Okay, this way. Now this LDR is connected to the lamp. Here we are using a fan. That's the difference. Here it's lamp shown in the circuit. It can be any load. It doesn't need that it should be lamp or anything LED. It can be a fan or anything. Okay, so here this LDR is connected in series with this fan. You can see in the circuit here. I've connected here, and then this fan is connected to the collector terminal. You can see how it's connected. Now let's see the working. See, when I switch off the light, the fan will stop working. I'm switching off the light. You see how it stops. See, there's dark nearby. You can see the fan stopped working. Now I'll switch on the light. See, it started